Fly to sky, a new day. Time for fun, school today. Meeting friends, teachers too. Ding, 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 school bell ring. Time for school.
It's the start of a new day at Lowick School. Thaila seems in a hurry this morning. Good morning, Abby. Come along, Pandra. It's almost time to start.
So with your magic pencil now, come down,
There's Mrs. Fieldhouse. And she's starting the day with phonics.
down, bounce up for van. But can you hear the difference between v and fan and van?
It's not the same sound.
Not the same sound.
But nearly.
Listen to Pandra.
But nearly.
It's nearly the same sound. So let's think about what we do with our mouth when we say that. Fan, van. When you say van, you get a tickly sound. Now, it might be quite difficult for Charlie because Charlie doesn't have his front teeth.
Your tooth under the pillow, and then the tooth fairy rings the queen or magic.
That's right. Everybody loses their teeth, but they'll grow back. Be fine.
I haven't lost any teeth yet.
No.
I have still got little baby teeth.
Some people lose their teeth when they're 5. Some people lose them when they get to about 6. Some people lose them when they're 7. Some people are still losing them.
Look, there.
So you've already got some of your grown-up teeth. Now, once you get your grown-up teeth, you have got to look after them very, very carefully because you won't get any new ones after that.
Looking after your teeth is very important.
The teeth that you've got now are called baby teeth.
I know that.
Once they come out and those new ones grow in, that's them for the rest of your life, and you've got to take very good care of them.
If you don't brush them, your teeth will go all wonky and you won't, and they will wobble.
If you eat sweet things, for instance,
Yeah.
it can eat away at your teeth. That's why you've got to very, very carefully brush and brush and brush and brush and brush. Let's just pretend that we're brushing. And how long would we do it for? So you brush the front, brush the front, brush behind the front ones, behind, up and up and up, to the back, to the other side, on the bottom at the back. Brush, 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 brush.
Good brushing, everyone. Hands washed, ready to cook.
This is going to be like a dress on you. It's going to go right to the ground.
Mrs. Edmondson helps Pandra put on special cooking clothes.
And your hat.
Can you still see Pandra?
Where has Pandra gone?
And you sit here.
Right, so we're ready to make biscuits.
Homemade ginger biscuits. Yum.
Tip it up.
Davy measures the flour.
More chicken bit. Stop.
Stop. That's it.
Yeah.
Into the bowl. Ready?
Ginger spice for flavour.
Right, pop it in. Pandra, you going to put a teaspoon in there?
Then will it be my turn?
Yes. That's it. Brilliant.
Careful with the sugar, Abby.
Stop.
Stop. Pop it in there.
And a big dollop of margarine.
Now, stop.
Stop. What do we need to do now?
Mix it.
Mix it with a knife or a spoon.
Spoon.
Spoon's boring. Do you know what I like to use?
Fork. Finger.
Fingers. What does it feel like, Pandra?
Squidgy to me.
Squidgy.
Yeah.
Let's see your fingers.
It's messy, but lots of fun.
Rub your hands together. Right, take this bit off here. See, it's all gone. That's it, keep mixing. Well done. How dirty is your hands? I think Pandra's got the dirtiest hands so far.
Look at my yucky hands.
Yuck. Oh, can you smell it?
The dough is ready to roll out.
One for Libby.
Flour stops the mixture from sticking to the rolling pin.
Right, Pandra, are you ready to cut yours out? What shape would you like?
That one.
What's that one?
A square.
What shape will the biscuits be?
And is it going to come up?
Can you see?
Ready?
This one's square.
You got it.
There, now it's on the tray, ready to cook.
And like you said.
Here's a round shape.
Mrs. Fields. Ooh.
Libby makes a triangle shape.
We nearly done the biscuits.
Look.
The oven is hot, so Mrs. Edmondson puts the biscuits in carefully.
Very hot.
I thought I would have put one at the bottom and one at the top.
Hands washed, and the biscuits will be ready later.
Well done.
It's time for lunch.
Here we go. Let's eat dinner.
What will Pandra have in her lunchbox? Sandwiches. Mitchell has a hot school meal.
Mitchell's here first. Now one more left.
It's Charlotte.
Got this cheesy stuff again. I hate cheese. I love cheese. Cheese is like hot dog. Like this. And it's got butter. That's your hot dog. That's my favourite. I have hot sausage and hot. It's time for... that's my... What?
What's Pandra doing with her fruit?
Yes, that's the time.
Ah, she's making her own sandwich.
Have a look at it. Yummy. Try it. Is it sleepy? This is a sleeping sandwich. What does a sleeping sandwich do? It makes you go to sleep. That's what it does. That's what sleeping sandwich is. Look at this, Mitchell.
I think Mitchell prefers his sausage and mash.
It's math, no sausage. What's going to happen? It's a snow sausage.
Has Pandra fallen asleep? Oh, she's just pretending. Look, Pandra's wide awake. Thaila and Abby are going to play dentists. Thaila is the patient. Abby will be the dentist.
Hello. Hello. Have you got two wobbly teeth? Yeah. Have you not been cleaning your teeth? Yeah. I did been cleaning my teeth every day. I'm the tooth fairy. I got my tooth. And then one wobbly tooth is still not coming out when I'm still pulling it. Take one of that out.
Where's that going to go?
One of that out.
Red. Well done.
That's to clean your teeth.
Brush, brush, brush.
There. I'm finished, Doctor.
So, what's this one?
Put these wet.
Abby checks for any wobbly teeth.
Now in sleep.
Yes. How my teeth look? Clean.
Good job, Dentist Abby. Something smells good. The ginger biscuits are ready to eat. They look yummy, Pandra.
Find one of yours. I think you just need to take little bites though. You don't want to put too much in your mouth at once, do you?
Sweet treats for everyone. And later, they'll all brush their teeth, won't they?